hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gonna find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gonna skirt and hit the dab like Wiz Khalifa. Good morning. Well, okay, it's not morning. It's midday. It's 12.
It feels like morning.
Yeah, it does feel like
I've been
morning.
sleeping late.
We're here with Father. We're eating.
Man, that makes
Well,
me
not
look
yet.
really.
We're going to eat brunch because I haven't eaten any breakfast, and these two haven't eaten.
That's
The
actually
sourdough
right. This is brunch.
avocado bacon thing, chicken.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I ordered that.
Wow.
Yeah. Or what you bought me for my birthday?
Oh, nice.
It's 2.
I'm excited to eat. Okay, I can explain. I've been here. I have nothing else to say, okay? This has been my life since. Stop! Don't get distracted. This has been my life, okay? My life's not that interesting. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry again that, my life's not interesting, but like, it's pretty interesting to me. I've been playing this game for a long time and I'm actually making progress. Anyways, I'm going to bed now. Bye!